Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting what Jili needs. This speeds verification. First, confirm the exact email or phone used on the account and open the app or website on a secure device. Once done, pull recent login dates, transaction receipts, or screenshots that prove ownership. Make sure two-factor devices are nearby if enabled. These items explain who you are and why access matters, so keep them organized in one folder before moving to the recovery form or support chat. You now fill the recovery form or open the in-app support chat and state the problem clearly. Say you cannot access the registered email or phone. Attach photo ID, screenshots, and transaction receipts to prove ownership and include an ownership timeline, when you created the account, last played, and recent purchases. Once submitted, set your notifications to receive verification codes. Make sure to pick account recovery so the request routes properly, and save the ticket number for follow-up. You finish by responding quickly to verification prompts. Enter any codes exactly and upload any additional documents requested. After successful validation, reset your password to a strong, unique one and enable two-factor authentication to prevent repeat issues. Then update recovery email and phone so future regain is easier. If verification stalls longer than the stated window, escalate with your ticket ID and request a manager review. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.